Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your key fob with your car. First, make sure your car battery is fully charged. Next, gather all the key fobs you want to program. It's often easier to do them all at once. Finally, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific steps unique to your car model. This preparation ensures a smooth syncing process. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position, then quickly cycle it between off and on about 4 to 8 times, depending on your car. You should hear a chime or see a security light flash, confirming your vehicle is ready to accept new key fob signals. This step is crucial for successful syncing. Once in programming mode, take your first key fob. Press and hold any button on it for approximately 15 seconds. You should hear the car's lock cycle, indicating the fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more fobs, repeat this exact step for each one immediately. This ensures all your fobs are recognized by the car. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it. Now, it's time to test each key fob. Walk a few feet away from your car and try locking and unlocking the doors. If any fob isn't working correctly, don't worry. Just repeat the entire syncing process from the beginning, paying close attention to each step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.